Welcome to the instructional video for students of the MAD 5274 Capstone Project. In this video, we will guide you on how to excel as a product development manager in the app development process. As a product development manager, your role is crucial in the success of building a mobile app and IT product. You will be responsible for overseeing all aspects of the development process. Let's start with project ideation. This is where you will learn the process of brainstorming and validating app ideas. It's important to thoroughly research and determine if your idea is workable within the available time frame and resources. Next, we have competitive analysis. Here, we will demonstrate how to conduct an effective market and competitor analysis. This will help you understand the market landscape and identify opportunities for your app. Moving on to marketing plan development. In this section, we will guide you on creating marketing plans that focus on identifying ideal customer avatars. We will also explore building immersive user experiences using mythology, archetypes, and world-building techniques. Technology plan creation is the next step. Here, we will provide instruction on using various tools and technologies such as UML, BPEL, BPMN, MongoDB data store, iOS programming, and UI screen prototyping. These skills are essential for successful app development. App Store optimization is another important aspect we will cover. We will provide tips on how to create an app that ranks high in App Store searches. This will help increase visibility and downloads for your app. Throughout the video, we will use a young Indian woman's voice for narration to make the content relatable to the majority of the students. Remember, the product development roadmap is a holistic process. It involves iterating between the project planning document, marketing plan, technology plan, and final presentation. This iterative process will yield increasingly refined insights and lead to the development of a successful mobile app. We hope this video inspires and mentally prepares you for your role in the Capstone project. Get ready to showcase your knowledge and skills by designing, developing, and publishing an app that reflects everything you have learned throughout the program. Exciting times lie ahead as you embark on this journey to develop a successful mobile app.